How to schedule emails in Gmail mobile app. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in into the account you want to send from. Step 2. Tap the Compose button. That's the plus icon at the top bottom corner. Write your recipient's email, subject, and the message like you normally would. Step 3. Now, instead of tapping the regular send button, tap the three dots menu at the top right corner of your screen. Step 4. From the drop-down, select Schedule Send. Gmail will give you a few present time suggestions like tomorrow, morning, or later in the week. If you want a custom time, tap Pick Date and Time. Then, choose the exact day and time you want your email to send. Tap Save and you're done. That's it. Your email is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at the time you choose. Super useful for staying ahead.